Hello everyone, I'm Divya, your math facilitator, here with a new video. Okay, so in this video, we are going to discuss the solutions of exercise 2.4 of class 10 sets chapter, okay, which is a chapter 2, right? So let us move to the first question. So before this, let me tell you, I have completed the previous exercises as well as the concepts of this chapter. I have explained very clearly in the earlier videos in the concept video, so you can watch all those videos by just clicking here on the I button, right? Chalo, so let's begin the session. So here this particular exercise is based on empty sets and finite and infinite sets definition. Okay, so the first question: state which of the following sets are empty and which are not. Okay, so you need to know which are empty sets and which are not. So what do you mean by empty set? Empty set or a null set. Okay, we have discussed this concept in the earlier exercises also, but still revising it once again. Empty set or a null set means that it doesn't have anything inside. Okay, there is no element. In simple words, I will tell you, there are no elements inside the set. Such a set you call it as empty set or a null set, and you define and you denote this set as phi with the letter phi. Okay, phi is a Greek letter, right? So now you understood the concept of empty set. So you should not have any elements in the set. Then such a set is called empty set. Now let us see how which of the following are empty sets. Okay, the first one, the set of lines passing through a given point. The set of lines passing through a given point. When a point is given to you, you can have different lines passing through the same point, right? So there are many lines. How many lines can you have? You can have infinite lines passing through a given point, right? So this particular set cannot be empty, right? So I can say this is not empty set. Why is it not empty? I gave you the reason here. What is the reason, beta? From a given single point, you can have in this way infinite lines passing through the set. Okay, your set has many lines. One, two, three, so many lines can pass through a single set. Okay, now let us see the second one. Set of odd natural numbers divisible by 2. Now here you need to understand, you need a set of odd natural numbers. Odd natural numbers. Natural numbers starts from 1, 2, 3. Okay, they start from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. You want only odd numbers. Odd numbers are 1, 3, 5 and so on. Okay, so 1, 3, 5, 7 and so on are odd numbers, right? I want odd natural numbers which are divisible by 2. Okay, that means these numbers should be divisible by 2. This 1, 3, 5, 7, these odd numbers should be divisible by 2. Can you say that any odd number is divisible by 2? No odd number is divisible by 2. Only even numbers are divisible by 2. Isn't it? Only even numbers are divisible by 2. Odd numbers are not divisible by 2. Or here, the example also I gave you 1, 3, 5, 7. These are odd numbers. Now you can see odd numbers. These odd numbers are not divisible by 2. So you will not get any number which is any odd number which is divisible by 2. That means this particular set has no elements. Okay, you're not getting any number which is satisfying this condition. There is no odd number which is divisible by 2. That means this becomes an empty set, right? So this is an empty set. Clear? X is a natural, the set of all elements of X such that X is a natural number. Okay, X has to be a natural number and X should be less than 5 and X should be greater than 7. Okay, X less than 5 and X less than 7. When can this happen? X is a natural number and X should be less than 5. Okay, suppose if you take the number line, this is the number line. Okay, I'm writing 5 and 7 here. X is less than 5. Less than 5 means all the numbers. Okay, 4, 3, all the numbers which are less than 5, this can be X. And here the second condition is X should also be greater than 7. Okay, that means you have numbers here 7, 8, 9, all these numbers are greater than 7. Okay, so here and condition, which here in the question you have and condition. And condition means that this X should satisfy both the conditions. So one side you are saying that X should be less than 5, which means you get these numbers. The other side you are saying that X should also be greater than 7, which means you are getting these numbers 8, 9 and so on. But there is no common number. no common value of x which is satisfying both the conditions, right? There is no common value of x. If you take x less than 4, then you will get only these numbers. If you less than 5, you will get only these numbers. If you take x less than 7, you will get only these numbers. But there is no common condition for both of them. There is no value which satisfies both the condition. Okay, so I can say this is an empty set. Okay, this is an empty set. Let us move on to fourth bit. In fourth bit, you have the set of all x such that x is a common point to any two parallel lines. Okay, parallel lines are these. You know that the distance between parallel lines is always same. That means parallel lines do not meet. Okay, you know parallel lines do not meet. Now when the lines don't meet, only when the lines meet in this way, now these are the two lines, when they are meeting you are getting a common point. But when the lines don't meet, is there any common point you can get? No. So here this set is also empty, right? Let's see the next question. Set of even prime numbers. Do you have any even prime numbers? Prime numbers are nothing but 2, 3, 5, 7 and so on. So you know 2 is a even number and 2 is also prime number. So this set of even prime numbers is nothing but 2. 2 is an even prime number. So is this an empty set? No, it's not empty. Clear with these questions? So let us move on. Acha. So you have a free combat test which happens on Unacademy. Okay, so this is completely free test. So I suggest you to definitely give this test. Right, it's an all India level scholarship test which is happening on Unacademy. So the benefits of attempting these tests are: first point, it is completely free. Second point, you will get super scholarships of 1 crore plus. Okay, so scholarships of 1 crore plus are distributed among the students. Okay, the toppers. And class 9 students, top 150 students of class 9 will be getting the scholarship, and 300 students of top 300 students of class 10 will be getting the scholarship. So it's a huge thing which is happening on Unacademy. Okay, in this pandemic, something good which is happening is this scholarship test, right? So don't forget to attempt the scholarship test. The subjects you're going to prepare are maths and science. Okay, so prepare maths and science, right? And the test will be in English and Hindi as well. So classes 6, 9, 10, let me write it here. Classes 6, 9, 10, 12 can give this combat test, and I'll give you the link to enroll for this combat test in the description box. Okay, so link to enroll I will give you in the description box. Description में link मिलता है. Okay, so you can just click on the link and enroll for the combat. And while enrolling, if you're doing it for the first time, it will ask you a code. So you will have to enter the code GD10. Okay, and enroll for the combat, right? So the test is on 30th May. It's on 30th May, right? So do enroll for the test and win scholarships worth 1 crore plus pool. Not only scholarships, yeah, you will also know the competitive level which is there. You will know how your peers are performing. You will get a live ranking. You will know where you are standing, and also you will know what are your weak points in that particular subject. You can improve on those concepts also, right? So don't forget to give the test. Link is in the description box. Okay, you can just click on the link and enroll, and code is GD10. Okay, don't miss this opportunity. Chalo, question number 2, state whether the following are finite or infinite set. What is the definition of finite? Finite means limited. Okay, finite means limited. So whenever there are limited number of elements in the set, you call it as finite set. Whenever there are unlimited elements in the set, you call it as infinite. Okay, limited numbers, example I can give, suppose 1, 2, 3. This is a finite set. You have only 3 elements, 1, 2, 3 in the set. Suppose if I give this example as 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on, this so on implies that the number of elements, the elements are going on. So you have so many elements here, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it's going on. The list is never ending. Okay, so there is no end to the list. It is unlimited. So such a set is called infinite. And whenever the elements are limited, when you are able to count the number of elements, so it is called finite set. Okay, or a limited set, right? Now here we need to find which sets are finite or infinite. Very simple question. The set of months in a year. How many months do you have in a year? You have 12 months, isn't it? You have 12 months. So I can say that this is a finite set. Yes or no? I can clearly say there are exactly 12 months. So this is a finite set. Okay, so first answer is finite. I am writing it here because you can list the number. Okay, you know it is 12, right? And see the next one. The next question is 1 2 3 so on 9900. So here also you can see the last, whenever you're talking about finite and infinite set, you will see the last element. The last element is stopping here. Okay, there is no so on, it is stopping here. So this is also a finite set. Okay, how many elements are there? Exactly 100 elements are there. Next, the set of prime numbers smaller than 99. Smaller than 99 means it is also a finite set, isn't it? You will take the elements only up to 99, right? Next one, the set of letters in English alphabet. The set of letters in English alphabet, you have only 26, so it is also finite. Okay, it is limited. You don't have unlimited alphabets, you have only limited alphabets. The set of lines that can be drawn parallel to x-axis. Now suppose this is x-axis, this is x-axis. You can draw how many lines parallel to x-axis? You can draw so many lines parallel to x-axis. Okay, this is unlimited. You can draw unlimited lines parallel to x-axis, which means unlimited means I told you which set you will get. You will get infinite set. Okay, the set of numbers which are multiples of 5. You already know that numbers are infinite. Okay, all numbers are infinite and multiples are also infinite. In my class 6, I have discussed this concept very clearly. Factors are limited. Whenever you find factors of a number, they are limited. Whenever you're finding multiple of a number, it is unlimited. For example, I can say I can find 5 into 100. 5 into 100 is nothing but multiple of 5. I can find 5 into 1 lakh. Yes. Yes, I can find 5 into 1 lakh. Okay, I can find 5 into 1 crore. I can find 5 into 1 billion. That means multiples of 5 are unlimited. I can find 5 into any bigger number. Okay, 5 into infinite number, right? So this multiple is unlimited, or unlimited means it is a infinite set. This is a basic concept which you have already learned in your lower classes. I'm just giving you a gist of it. The last bit, the set of circles passing through origin. Okay, you need a set of circles which are passing through origin. Suppose this is the origin, so set of circles passing through origin can be unlimited again. Okay, you can have unlimited number of circles passing through origin with different radii. Okay, radii can be different and they are all passing through the origin. So this is also infinite set. Clear with this? So these are the definitions and these are the concepts, and I'll meet you in the next video. With this, we have completed chapter number 2. Right? So do like the video, share the channel with all your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Subscribe to the channel so that you will get more and more exercise problems, more and more different concepts in this channel, and you will not miss out any of these things. Right? Chalo then, bye bye, take care, have a great day ahead.